In this video, we will take a quick look at how we could try and factor a sum of squares. A sum of squares is when we are adding two perfect squares. This is different than a difference of squares, which factors to the sum and difference of the square roots. To help us factor this, we will add a 0ab to the center and try and use the AC method to help us factor. This would be a squared plus 0ab plus b squared. In order to factor this, we would want to multiply to a times c, 1 times 1, which is 1, and add to b, which is 0. Notice the only way to do this would be to multiply 1 times 1, which would not add to 0. There is no combination of numbers that will work as we try and factor the a squared plus b squared. This is because the sum of squares, if we are adding two perfect squares, is always prime. This means the expression does not factor. It is only divisible by 1 and itself. This means if we look at the expression x squared plus 9, and notice we're adding two perfect squares, we know right away that the expression will be prime and cannot factor. Another example of this relationship would be 16a squared plus 25b squared. Again, we are adding two perfect squares. When we are adding two perfect squares, we know it will always be prime. It is important to remember that while a difference of squares, when you're subtracting, will always factor to a sum and difference of the square roots, a sum of squares, where we're adding, is always prime.